Today is the last warm day, so monsoon season is here, the rain season is here, and I don't know what we are going to do. Do we start driving to Greece, or do we just cope with the foggy, misty Romania? That is not that fun. We are going to enjoy our breakfast here outside, which we rarely do, but now it's special because we have to be indoors for the next weeks. It's not fun.
And good day starts with good salami. How I know that I'm in Balkans. Every store has good salamis. A lot of them. Like one cabinet is full of different salamis. And I'm really big fan of salami. Käyttöestetty, it means that my bank card is closed. I was surprised yesterday when I tried to buy a new drone. Yes, I went to a web shop in Romania to buy a new drone, that it didn't go through, and today I went to my banking app and it tells my bank card is closed. Well, it was closed because they thought it would be a fraudulent purchase. We bought the tires from Romania. It was 800 euros, and now the drone was really expensive purchase, so something ticked on their system that you don't usually do this kind of purchases in this kind of country, so they closed the bank card completely. Luckily we have both bank cards, me and Sarah, plus we have the Revolut bank card, so we have like a system that never fails, even if the bank will close our cards. When you are abroad and very far away from your home, sometimes these kind of things are dramatic, because you need to buy a diesel to get home, you need to buy food and everything, so that's why we have 3 bank cards. But I called the bank, said that it's not fraudulent purchase and it's okay, and they said that it will be back in a business, my card, in a matter of hours. So everything worked better than expected. We actually made a little pop in the city of Sibiu, made a little walk on the old city of Sibiu and made laundry. You know that we don't really like to be in the cities, middle of people, so this is just making some chores. So laundry is done. It was 7 euros for 20 kilos to make laundry, so good price. All the laundry that we had is now done, so we are okay with the laundry side for the next weeks. I think 4 or 5 weeks. We are still waiting our packages. We ordered a lot of things, so it comes to the outskirts of Sibiu. Yeah, it's really nice. There's a lockers where all the orders that we ordered is coming, and they come in less than 48 hours. All the packages. We bought these clips for our cabinets. Off-roads are tough roads, and they are tough for our cabinet locks. These are plastic and they got broken or get broken when we go off-roading. I think past 8 years we have changed 6 of these. We don't want to use metal ones. We know that there is a market for metal ones, but because these works as a fuse, because if it's a metal, then it will break something else. So it's better to break 60-cent plastic piece than €200 cabinet. Sarah's MacBook has been broken for months now. MacBook is 2015, so it's quite old, and to fix it was really expensive, and only that is broken is this little part where the power goes into the MacBook. It was €4 for the spare part, and for the work, if somebody else is doing it, it's €200. No, we are not paying that kind of money. Tempered glass for my phone. My phone is quite old, so there ain't available anymore these anywhere. I found it one from emac.ro, and this one. We get old. When we get inside of the van, it's quite an adventure. So we bought handle.
Now it's time to admit we need the extra handle. We are not going to the step route. I know a lot of people have just a step that they put outside of the van, but we have heard so many horror stories of our friends who get out of the van, they are drunk, or it's too dark outside or something, and they snap a knee or something, so we trust handles more than an extra step.
Yes, so this will be going here.
We have a lot of rainy day projects, so now upcoming weeks are rainy a lot, so we will do these.
When you live in a van, the project never stops. Sarah's MacBook from 2015, the charging jack is broken, so I'm gonna change it. It was over €200 quoted on the MacBook repair shop, but it's really simple. Just unscrewing the old one and putting new one in. So I'm gonna do that now. So Sarah can have her own laptop, and we don't have to share my laptop. And there's one sad thing about this laptop. There's Pulla's hair inside of the laptop. Oh, Pulla is everywhere. Yeah, Pulla's hair has gone out from the inside of the van. We have cleaned like 5 or 6 times since then. But still, if you open laptop, there's Pulla's white hair. We so much miss Pulla and Dino.
Our spot is not that deep into nature that we would normally prefer, but this is okay because it's going to be a heavy rains and storms, and that's one reason why we pulled out our campfire this early. Yeah, there's this little creek, crystal clear water to go bathe in. This is such a great country, but not during the winter time. It's too foggy and misty and miserable for us. And a lot of these places are really muddy, so you cannot really drive anywhere from the road. While Joni is inside of the van fixing my computer, I will grill some steaks for Joni. We usually grill the whole package and then just eat cold leftovers in the top of the sandwich or something. It's much easier that way. Yeah. And we are using the cast iron pan as a lid.
I didn't know that you have to take the whole motherboard away so you can change this small part. Luckily there's YouTube, so I can actually go see the YouTube for video how it's done. I have like 25 different kind of screws that I have loosened already, so I have to find the place for them when I assembling the shit thing. This is how empty Sarah's laptop is now. So the main board is here. I'm changing the plug, and now I just have to find where all those screws go. Ta-da! Green light means it works. It's powered on. So Sarah has a laptop that is working again. Yay!
Yay, I can edit fantastic videos.
Yes. I would give a MacBook 6 out of 10. How easy it's to fix. It's really easy to fix. Actually, it's just a lot of screws that you have to unscrew. Only bad thing why I give it 6 out of 10 is that you cannot get spare parts. This is a used spare part that I used to change there, because there's no new ones anywhere for normal consumers. I think that sucks a lot. I want always my things that I buy to be fixable. DJI is really like worse in the business. The spare parts are as hard as MacBook parts available the whole world, so it's unfixable. You have to send to their service center. I hate it. I want fix my own things.